Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reset or unlock a forgotten Windows 10 or 11 password or PIN in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the bootable USB. Before we begin, you'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of free space. We'll use a free tool called Hiren's Boost CD, a popular bootable utility that can reset or remove Windows passwords. Open a web browser on another computer and search for Hiren's Boot CD. Click on the first result, which should be the official website. Go to the Download section in the top menu. Scroll down and look for the file named hbcdpex64.iso. Click on it to download the file, around 3.6 gigabytes, so it may take some time. Now, to create a bootable USB, we'll use another free tool called Rufus. Download the Rufus by visiting its official website and then open it. Insert the USB drive into your computer. In Rufus, select your USB drive under Device. Click Select, then choose the Hiren's Boost CD ISO file you downloaded. Leave other options as default, then click Start. A warning message will appear stating that all USB data will be erased. Click OK to proceed. The process should take a few minutes. Once done, click Close. To confirm, open File Explorer and check the USB drive. It should now contain a Hiren's Boot CD files. Step 2. Booting into Hiren's Boot CD. Insert the bootable USB into the locked computer. On the login screen, click the power icon at the bottom right. Hold the Shift key and click Restart. Keep holding Shift until the Advanced Startup Options screen appears. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware Settings to enter the BIOS. In the BIOS, navigate to the boot order or boot priority. Set the USB drive as the first boot device. Save changes and restart the computer. Your system should now boot into Hiren's Boot CD. This might take a minute. Step 3. Resetting the password. Hiren's Boot CD will load a Windows-like environment. Click the Start button in the bottom left. Navigate to All Programs, Security, Passwords. You'll see multiple password reset tools. Select Windows Login Unlocker. A dashboard will appear listing all user accounts. Find the account you want to reset. Right-click or use the bottom menu to reset password. Confirm the reset and click OK. Step 4. Logging back in. Restart your computer normally and remove the USB device. Upon reboot, you'll see a message stating that your password has expired. Click OK and enter a new password. Congratulations, you are now logged back into your system. And that's it. You've successfully reset or unlocked your forgotten Windows password or PIN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.